We paused at the point at which we had estimates of our analysis. Let's pick up at that stage and begin going through step 3 in our procedure, that is assessing model fit. Let's have a look at the output. So we'll start with model fit. Looking good. Normed chi-square, great. GFI, good, good. CFI, very good. How about the Ramsey? Great, 0.3. Lower confidence interval, higher confidence interval at 90% for Ramsey. Great. Everything good. Fantastic. We can look at the measurement. So to start with, all the observed variables are significantly related to the latent constructs. First test passed. And now let's have a look at the strength of those relationships. Remember here we are looking for values definitely over 0.5, but preferably over 0.7. So we have a lot of values at acceptable level, 3 slightly below. So verbal intelligence here, verbal intelligence there, and motivation are at 0.63, but still acceptable. We would take now those values to calculate AVE and CR to see if our model fit is acceptable. But before we do that, let's have a quick look at the modification indices. You can see nothing greater than 20 here and nothing greater than 20 here. There is an information here that motivation may be related to error 14, but you don't mess with errors, so we'll keep it as is. Fantastic. Our confirmatory factor analysis has worked. What I'm going to do now is to try to calculate CR and AVE to see if the measurement is of acceptable quality. I'm copying the standardized regression weights into my Excel spreadsheet, and I am just going to replace this column on my spreadsheet. I'm just going to paste them in my spreadsheet, which recalculates things for me. So I have just patiently copied and pasted all estimate values so they match my indicators, and here is my full list of constructs. So you will see first construct here, job satisfaction, then motivation, then you have performance here, verbal intelligence and self-esteem, each measured by 4 indicators. So if I click here just to double check, I should see that this figure comes about from adding 4 squared loadings for self-esteem, adding them all up and dividing them by the number of items by 4. As you will see, all AVEs are at decent level. Job satisfaction is the weakest one, but that's probably not surprising given the 7s here. All at acceptable level, about 0.5, and CRs again all very decent at 0.8 and above. Fantastic. Let's move on. Having evaluated the model fit as acceptable and checked the properties of our measurement through construct reliability and average variance extracted, we have completed stage 1 of SEM estimation and are ready to move on to stage 2, structural model. See you shortly. Bye.